So, hi dear Libra, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances and spirituality reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of May 2026. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate, even if it does 100%. Just take the messages as the guidance only. And I'm not a career counselor, health counselor, financial advisor, spiritual advisor. Yes, I am up to a certain extent, but otherwise, I am not eligible to give you the gyan for these things. Just take the messages as a guidance only. I'm telling you again and again. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Libra. So overall energy for Libra people for their health for this month. Yes, I was going on the wrong track. Then I came back. So I have a 3 of Swords. Okay, please take care of your heart health, your cholesterol level, your sugar level, your cortisol level, and something. If you guys are already struggling with your heart health, please don't ignore it. There might be some kind of health issues that might pop up, but include like you might have to go through some kind of surgery also if you're not going to take care of your health properly. If you're already going through something that is quite painful for you guys, you are going to be on the road of recovery. Slow and steady progress is there, but please do not ignore the red flags that you guys are going to get in your health. Okay, especially if you guys are already suffering, don't ignore the signs and symptoms. I'm not scaring you, I'm just trying to alert you, right? If it is scaring the shit out of you, then it's there is something that you should look for. Guidance is the Sun card. Try to remain as stress free, as happy go lucky as you guys can from your side. Try to have a clean diet, have a clean energy, have a like childlike energy. Instead of taking everything too seriously in your life, Libra, try to take things in a genuine and positive way. Instead of always focusing on the negative side of life, try to focus on the positive side too. The more you are going to stay in touch with your inner child, the more you are going to stay in touch with your happy go lucky energies, the more your life is going to be peaceful and beautiful, right? So instead of focusing on the negatives, try to start focusing on the positives of life, right? For your career, whether you are doing job or business, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Quite stable, mature, grounded kind of energies. You guys will be able to get some kind of good results of your hard work. It can be like you guys getting some kind of responsibility also, but it is going to enhance your overall energies in your career, whether it's a job thing or a business thing. There is progress, slow and steady progress, and a lot of groundedness kind of energy and stability also coming in. New role, new concept, new energy of stability. Guidance is the Four of Pentacles. Don't hold on to something or someone like really tightly. Let's say, for example, you're very comfortable in doing whatever you're doing, but that's not allowing you to grow and expand. So instead of holding on to something or someone so tightly, try to just let it go, try to release, try to be in the flexible energy of allowing new energies to enter in your space, new opportunities to enter in your space, so that you can have that kind of growth and expansion that you guys are looking forward to have. Holding on to something or someone this much tightly, like the comfort zone, maybe a senior, maybe like, okay, this person is going to be my team leader or they are going to be in my team only, that is going to actually slow down your progress, or worse, like your progress might not happen at all. For those of you who are looking for another career opportunity, whether fresher or whether you guys are already experienced, we have the Hermit card. It's like you guys are going to be planning and plotting and thinking a lot about your career. There are very good chances that you are going to connect with a person, connect with a very mature person, very sorted person, who have the capacity to guide you in the right direction. If somebody wise, if somebody who is really good in their life, really doing good in their life, is giving you some kind of advice in your career, take that. It's going to help you a lot. For most of you, it's like with the help of somebody, there are good chances that you might enter into the space of starting or restarting something brand new. But I don't think so it's going to be that of a bombastic kind of start, like, oh my god, everything is working out just like that. It's going to take time. Guidance is the Queen of Cups. Keep your hopes alive. Do whatever you can do from your side in order to get the kind of results you're hoping for and waiting for, but don't go in the pessimistic side. Don't try to lean in the negative side all the time. Right now things are delayed, things are under process, under like they are happening, but it's going to take time for something to develop the way you want it to develop. So yeah, stay in touch with your feminine and creative side, stay in touch with your positive side, and try not to get overly emotional or overly critical over the situations that you can't control or change, Libra. For your finances, we have the Eight of Cups. Okay, for your finances, I do see there is some kind of detachment here. There's some kind of energy of you guys where you used to invest till this point of your life. You guys are feeling like nothing is moving forward, nothing is happening. So you should just try something else or try somewhere else. So there is this energy of changing the way you are investing, the changing the way you guys are handling your finances. Okay, I don't see any losses, but I don't see any gains as well. I do see you guys planning to change some kind of strategy, change some kind of investment plans that's not working out in your favor, in the favor of your investments, in the favor of your finances. The guidance is the Three of Cups. Okay, connect with people, like-minded people, connect with the community, connect with a group of people where you know you guys are going to get good result, good advices, good guidances. You guys know that they are going to guide you, they are going to make you feel like you are in a safe space, and you guys will be able to start investing smartly. Hmm? It's like surround yourself with wise people, smart people, those who know how to handle their finances well, and they are not worried all the time about their future, worried all the time about their finances. They are making it fun. Now, don't go and join the community of gamblers and alcoholics. I'm not saying that. I'm saying join a community of people who are experts, who are wise, who are decent, and who know how to make their shit happen when it comes to their investments and finances in a fun way, actually. Cool. For your spirituality, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's like Taurus only. You guys are ruled by Venus. I think that's why both of you are going to feel like this spiritually. That you guys are waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen, and nothing is happening. You guys are feeling a little bit like stagnant, like, oh my god, I'm doing so much, I'm working too much. Why the hell it's not happening? And there's an opportunity right in front of you that you're completely ignoring because it's not something that you want. You're like, okay, I don't need any new stuff right now. The one that I'm doing is not working. When it is going to start working out for in my favor? What the hell is happening? Universe, bring it on. So you guys are waiting and watching and contemplating and trying to understand what is going wrong. Nothing. It's just a phase where reflection is happening, pause is happening, healing is happening behind the scenes, right? So it's not like you're stagnant and things are not moving forward. They are, but not at the pace the way you want it. So there is opportunity to grow right in front of you, to start or restart something. So I think you should take it and have fun with it. The guidance here is the Six of Swords, right? Keep on moving forward. Keep on moving forward and keep on leaving your past baggages in the past. Because just because something was not happening in the past, something was not working out in the past, or you were not able to heal the past exactly the way you wanted, it's not like it's never going to be sorted, it's never going to be healed, it's never going to be okay for you. You will be fine, you will be okay. Keep walking, Libra. Don't look back again and again and again for confirmation, for like, okay, is it working, is it working? It's working. As long as you are going to make sure that you're not going to go back in the past again and again and again, whether mentally, emotionally, or physically, you're good to go. You're on the right track, you're on the right path. And these past baggages, it will take time. It's not like a one day's job, but one day you're going to feel free, you're going to feel like, okay, aligned with your path, aligned with your happiness, and everything is going to be good for you, naturally and organically. But don't stop, keep moving forward. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.